Welcome to Thailand. This Southeast Asian gem is known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Bangkok, relaxing on the idyllic beaches of Phuket, or marveling at the ancient temples in Chiang Mai, Thailand has something for every traveler. But before we dive into the essential Thai phrases, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes this country so special. From its mouth-watering cuisine to its vibrant festivals and friendly locals, Thailand truly is the land of smiles. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey where every corner holds a new adventure. Now let's get started. Before we get into the essential Thai phrases, let's take a moment to delve deeper into the rich culture that makes Thailand so unique. Thailand is a country where tradition meets modernity. Picture the serene monks in saffron robes walking through bustling city streets, or the intricate dance performances that tell ancient stories. Thai culture is deeply rooted in respect, family values, and a way of life known as Sanuk, which means finding joy in everything you do. Festivals like Songkran, the Thai New Year, and Loi Krathong, the Festival of Lights, showcase the country's love for celebration and community. Understanding a bit about Thai culture will not only enrich your experience, but also help you connect more deeply with the locals. Now let's move on to learning some essential Thai phrases that will make your journey even more memorable. So, you're excited to learn some Thai, right? Awesome! But before we jump into the cool phrases, let's talk about some important things about Thai culture. Thai people are super polite and respectful, and if you follow their customs, you'll have a much better time. First up, the why. It's like a little bow where you put your hands together. It's how you say hello and show respect. The higher your hands and the lower you bow, the more respect you're showing. Next, if you're visiting a temple, remember to dress nicely, cover your shoulders and knees, and take off your shoes before you go inside. It's a way of showing respect for the temple. Here's a big one. Never point with your feet. In Thailand, feet are considered the lowest part of the body, so pointing with them is rude. Use your hands or just nod your head instead. Same goes for when you visit someone's home. Always take off your shoes at the door, and don't forget to be polite. If you remember these tips, you'll fit right in. Okay, now let's learn some fun Thai phrases that will make your trip even better. Hey everyone! Before we explore the amazing things Thailand has to offer, let's learn some helpful phrases to make your trip super smooth and fun. These are the must-know phrases for everyday situations. First, we have Sawadi Krap if you're a man and Sawadi Ka if you're a woman. This is how you say hello. It's friendly, polite, and Thais will really appreciate it. Next, Kop Kun Krap for men and Kop Kun Ka for women. This means thank you. It's a small phrase, but it shows you're grateful. If you need to say excuse me or I'm sorry, use Kor Thot Krap for men and Kor Thot Ka for women. This is helpful in busy places or if you bump into someone. When you're at a restaurant or shopping, you'll want to know how to ask how much. Use Tao Rai. It's short, easy, and really helpful. Finally, to say yes, use chai, and for no, use my chai. You'll use these in almost every conversation. Learning these phrases will make your trip more fun and show the locals that you respect their language and culture. Now that you know these key phrases, let's explore the heart of Thailand. When it comes to experiencing Thailand, one of the most delightful adventures is indulging in its world-renowned cuisine. From sizzling street food stalls to cozy local eateries, Thai food is a feast for the senses. But how do you make sure you get exactly what you want? Here are some essential tips for ordering food in Thailand that will help you enjoy every bite. First, familiarize yourself with some basic Thai food vocabulary. Knowing words like pad, which means stir-fried, tom, soup, and cow, rice, can make a big difference. You'll often see these words on menus, and they can guide you in making tasty choices. Next, don't be shy about asking for recommendations. Thai people are incredibly friendly and more than happy to suggest their favorite dishes. Simply saying, Kun mi arai nai, which means, what do you recommend, can open up a world of culinary possibilities. Also, keep in mind that Thai food can be quite spicy. If you're not used to spicy food, you can ask for mai phet, meaning not spicy, or phet nit noi, which means a little spicy. This way, you can enjoy the flavors without overwhelming your taste buds. Lastly, always remember the magic words, Khub Kun, thank you. It goes a long way in showing your appreciation for the delicious food and the warm hospitality you receive. So, whether you're craving a hot bowl of Tom Yum Goong or a plate of Pad Thai, These tips will help you navigate the culinary landscape of Thailand with confidence and joy. Now let's get back to exploring more about this fascinating country. Navigating Thailand can be a delightful adventure in itself, whether you're exploring bustling cities or serene countryside. From tuk-tuks and motorbike taxis to the efficient BTS SkyTrain in Bangkok, there are plenty of options to get you where you need to go. To make your journey smoother, here are a few essential tips. First, always carry a map or have a map app on your phone. While many locals speak some English, it's always helpful to have a visual reference. Second, when using taxis or tuk-tuks, ensure the driver turns on the meter or agree on a price before starting your trip to avoid misunderstandings. For those planning to rent a motorbike, remember that traffic in Thailand drives on the left side of the road and always wear a helmet for safety. For longer distances, Thailand's train and bus systems are affordable and reliable. If you're heading to the islands, ferries and speedboats are the way to go. And don't forget to keep small change handy for public transport fares. With these tips in mind, you'll find getting around Thailand both exciting and hassle-free. Ready to explore? Let's move on to some useful transportation phrases that will come in handy during your travels. Shopping in Thailand is an adventure in itself. From bustling street markets to high-end malls, there's something for everyone. But wait, don't just settle for the first price you hear. Bargaining is a common practice, and it's all part of the fun. Let's dive into some key phrases to help you get the best deals. First, start with a friendly greeting. Sawasdee ka for women or Sawasdee krub for men. This means hello and sets a positive tone. When you find something you like, ask Tao rai, which means how much. If the price seems high, don't be shy to say lot noi dai mai, meaning can you lower the price a bit? Once you agree on a price, you can say kortung, which means I'd like to buy it. If you're just looking, a polite du churn means just looking, thanks. Using these phrases not only helps you snag great deals, but also makes your shopping experience more interactive and enjoyable. Thai vendors appreciate the effort and might even offer a better price for your politeness. Next up, let's dive into the heartwarming hospitality of Thailand, the land of smiles. All right, now let's talk about some essential phrases you'll need when staying at a hotel in Thailand. These phrases will help you check in, ask for amenities, and ensure a comfortable stay. First, when you arrive at the hotel, you'll want to check in. You can say, check-in dai mai, which means, can I check in? Next, if you need help with your luggage, ask chwai yom krabao dai mai. This means, can you help with my luggage? If you need to know the Wi-Fi password, you can ask Wi-Fi password RI, which translates to, what is the Wi-Fi password? Want to request a wake-up call? Simply say, I'll wake-up call Duton, followed by the time you want to be woken up. For example, I'll wake-up call Duton Hok Mong Chow means I want a wake-up call at 6 a.m. If you need extra towels or amenities, you can ask Ao Pachet Pao Dai Mai, which means, can I have more towels? Lastly, when you're ready to check out, you can say, check out Dai Mai, meaning, can I check out? Using these phrases will make your hotel stay much more pleasant and hassle-free. Enjoy your stay in Thailand. All right, now that we've got some friendly phrases down, let's sprinkle in some fun ones to make your interactions even more lively. These phrases are sure to bring a smile to anyone's face and make your trip even more memorable. First up, if you want to say cheers. When having a drink, you can say chon. It's a great way to toast with new friends. How about saying something is awesome? Just say ying yai. It means great or awesome and can be used in many situations. Feeling excited? Express it with roddi, which means cool or amazing. If you find something particularly cute, you can say narak. This means cute and is perfect for complimenting anything adorable. And if you want to encourage someone or cheer them on, you can say susu. This means keep fighting or you can do it. These fun phrases will not only help you connect with locals, but also add a dash of excitement to your interactions. So go ahead, try them out, and enjoy the smiles and laughter that follow. Hey everyone! As we finish up our look at the cool world of Thai words and culture, remember that learning a few phrases can really change your trip. It's not just about talking, it's about making friends and feeling the real Thailand. From saying sawadi, hello, to someone on the street, to enjoying some yummy Thai food and saying aroy mak, delicious. Each word you learn helps you make new friends and understand Thailand better. Go on an adventure. Practice these phrases. Let the nice Thai people make your trip even better. Whether you're checking out busy cities or quiet towns, trying to speak Thai will bring lots of smiles. So, pack your bags, keep these phrases close, and get ready for amazing memories in the land of smiles. Have a safe trip, but before you go, now is a good time to grab your pen and paper to jot down some essential Thai phrases. Pause the video if needed. Let's do a quick review. Learn Thai. Greetings and politeness. Sawadi krap, swasdi krab. Hello for men. Sawadi ka, swasdika. Hello for women. Sawasdi krab, alternate romanization of sawadi krap. Sawasdi ka, alternate romanization of sawadi ka. Kop kun krab, kub kun krab. Thank you for men. Kop kun ka, kub kunka. Thank you for women. Kob kun, thank you, neutral or shortened. Kor thought krap, kots krab. Excuse me, I'm sorry for men. Kor thought ka, kotska. Excuse me, I'm sorry for women. Krap krab, polite particle for men. Ka ka, polite particle for women. Common questions and travel phrases. Tau rai? Etha ar? How much? Lot noi dai mai? Lodin yai daim? Can you lower the price a bit? Kortung, kachue. I'd like to buy it. Du churn, duichi. Just looking, thanks. Check in dai mai? Echk inai daim? Can I check in? Check out dai mai? Echke athai daim? Can I check out? Chua yom krabao dai mai? Chui krepa idam? Can you help with my luggage? Wi-Fi password ri? What is the Wi-Fi password? Ow wake up call da on. I want a wake up call at ow fa chet fa dai mai. Can I have more towels? Kunmi arai nai? Kunmi irai nanam? What do you recommend? Food and dining. Pad, fad. Stir-fried tom, tiem. Soup cow, ka. Rice mai fet, imeft. Not spicy fet nit noi, eft nidni. A little spicy, aroi mak, mak. Very delicious tom yum gung, tim yum kung. Spicy shrimp soup pad thai, fadaithi. Thai stir-fried noodles. Fun expressions. Chan. Chen. Cheers, ying yai, yingahi. Great, awesome, raddi, rizdi, cool. Amazing, narak, cute, susu, sa, keep fighting, you can do it. Other Thai cultural terms. Sanuk, snuck, finding joy in everything you do. Songkran, sungkrant, Thai New Year. Loi krathong, laikrathong, Festival of Lights, I, traditional Thai greeting, bow with hands together.
If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Sawasdi krap, goodbye.